Hello and welcome to another lecture of Shopify store developing beginners to expert dropshipping store, especially from AliExpress. Here in this lecture, we will see how we can create collections. We already did create collections, but sometimes we need some more collections that are needed. So how we can create them? We'll see all the things in the collections here and how we can create them. So here in the collections page, you have to click on create collection. There are two types of collection. Number one is manual and another one is automatic. So we will first already create manual collections in which we just here demo collection. We will name it demo. Manual collection, and we will give some raw description. We are just putting some dummy data. So here from the very right side you have to select the sales channels on which you want to publish your products, and then we have selected manual option, and then in the image you can put image of your collection. So from here in adding image, we'll be just adding demo image here. Just like we will be using any demo image. This is just for demo purposes, so you must know how to create manual collection, and after this you can click save, right? So here our collection is created, and you can view it on your online store. It will be showing like this, a collection on your store without any products in it. So once we will give it some products here, you see in the set products, we'll click on browse and we'll just give one product to this collection manually, and then it's here. If you refresh this collection, you see a product in the collection like this. So here is a collection page with only one product in it. So at the left side you will see some filters options, sorting options. We will make it more better. We are just looking at collections creation now. So we'll see the other option, demo automatic collection, and the same thing we will do here like this. And here when you click automatic, it will ask you for all conditions, any condition. So if the product must match all conditions, then any condition you are adding here should match. Like here, let me explain all these options. Here you can put product title, product type, vendor, product tag, price, compared price, weight. You can differentiate by these options. So we will select product title, that contains is equals to, not equals to, starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain. So we will select contain, then we will set jewelry. I hope all the products contain jewelry in it, in the titles, the product titles. So another condition is jewelry chain. So if you select all conditions, then it must matches all the conditions here. Like there should be products that contain titles, contain jewelry, and the product titles contain chain. Then it will be showing under this, right? So if all conditions, we will click on. We will also select image just like we have done before. These are demo images. Don't focus on it. So after this, once you will click on save on the very top right, you will see it will show us some products. So there are no products in this collection. Add or change conditions to add products. So here you see there is no product that contains jewelry as well as chain in its title. So once we will select any condition here and click on save, you will see a lot of products are coming in here. So you will go to demo here. Here is saying products in this collection are updating. Try refreshing this list in a minute. So we'll refresh products. We'll again come in this collection. Maybe we can just go to products and then we'll click on collections and then we can click on automatics. Okay, it's updating. The products are refreshing. So we can just view it in our store. Maybe the products are showing there. So it's not updated yet. It takes some time, like as it's mentioned, like 1 minute. Okay, here you see now all the products are showing. Like here, you see in this collection we have these products that contain the word chain as well as the jewelry. Like here, chain, this contains chain, chain. All the products, I think no products contain jewelry, so it's not showing it here, just like this, right? So this was the automatic collection creation procedure, and more we will see into the website SEO of all the things later. So this was the procedure of creating collections in your store. I hope you guys understand that how the automatic and manual collections are created within Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Take care.